Look at this quiz channel and you can see this is the geography or landmark quiz. You can see it got plus 70,000 plus views, and if you see the earning of this quiz channel, you can see they are making 300 plus to 60k $1,000. You can see they are getting 1.5 million views in 30 days. So in this video we are going to cover how we can create this kind of quiz videos, as well as we will try to create this kind of videos and with the voice. This channel is providing the videos without the voice, but we are going to create the videos with the voiceover. So keep watching this video and please subscribe my channel. And if you need the Canva Pro, because we are going to use the Canva Pro in this video, so you can just check out the phone number given into the description, the Canva seller. You can get the Canva Pro just in very low price, just like $1 per month. So have a good day and just watch this video. In this step we are going to learn how we can create this kind of template and how we can design this, and as well as we can apply on our video. First of all, you need to go here in the Canva, just click on create a design. After clicking here, you can just navigate on the videos and select YouTube video here. Now you can see the blank video is here. You can see the duration of this video is 5 seconds. So here you can see you can edit the timeline as well as. So here just click on elements. So now we are going to set an animated background here. So search here animated background. So you will see a lot of videos with the animated backgrounds. You can see there are a lot of videos that we can use for our animated background for our video. Out of these all backgrounds, I have selected this background. So you can see this background I have selected for my video. So I just click here, right click here, and here you can see set as background. So I will just set is that background. So as well as I just name it landmark quiz, that we can save it and use it for later. Okay, here you can see this is the timeline that we can change or adjust the timeline for this video. For example, you can see if I just decrease the time, you can see this is the timeline that you can set. For example, I have set is 9 seconds because we need it in the line 9 seconds. Okay, just click on done. Now our video duration is 9 seconds here. Now the first thing that we need is the number. For example, there is a number on the left sidebar. So here I just click on elements and search for brush. Okay, so brush, for example, this is the brush icon, for example. So just click on graphics. So from the graphics I select the brush icons here. So let's see, this is the brush. Okay, I just select this one and drag here, for example, and just click on that, and I will change the color. So you need to select the color combination that suit your design. So you can set any of the color, but it should be suitable or attractive. Okay, so for example, I select this color. As well as if you click on text, so there I wanna display the number here. So I just add a heading here. For example, I add 100 number because our quiz can go from 1 to 100, so that's why it should be fitable for 100. So I just drag again here because it's not fitable for 100. As well as make it center align. So this should be centered align. Okay, so here I just make it center. So here is this the number. As well as if you go here and see the font family I used here, shrink. So I just go here and in the font family I just select shrink font family. I have selected this string. As well as if I want to change the color, so I just make it black. So black is visible here. You can see this was a bit here, so I just drag here so that it should be visible. Okay, so this is visible now. So for example, if I write here 1, so this is also visible. So if I write 100, so it's also visible. So the first thing we done. Now I just select here, select both of these and make it its group, because the group element can be fix correctly. So I just select this both and right click here and make it group. So when I want to drag, so the group of this will be draggable. Okay, so now this part is done. Now the next step is heading. So for the heading, I just go here and I just select another brush, for example, or you can also write here just background. So I just select this brush and just drag it more, and for example here, so I just make it white background, for example, and you can see this is now visible. So I just try to make it center. So right now it's center. Now I go back and add a heading here. So I just make it, so I just written the guest landmark, and also I change the color to black. So the black will be visible on the white. So you can see this is visible now, and if I decrease the font size, it's now more visible. You can see this is visible now. And here I just if I want to add more things, I can easily add, but for now this is the black. So if I go here and I want to change the font, I just deselect it, and here there are a lot of fonts that we can change. So here I just go back into the from the search bar. So here I just select from these, for example. So this is the guess the landmark, this is the font I have selected. Now the next step is the image of the landmark. So here I just go into the elements and I search here any image that is maybe a landmark or something. So this will be just a placeholder for that. So I just select an image here. For example, I just select this image as the landmark image, but we will change it later accordingly with the dynamic data. But for now, I select this image, and here I just select the corners. You can see these are the corners, and here I just make it border. For example, border should be 6, and the border color should be, I think, white or green. Any color that you can add here, you can easily add. As well as if you go here and I want to add a shadow here, for example, so I add a shadow in the background of this image. So here is the shadow, for example, this one. So I just add this and make it more visible for that. So that's why I am just adding it. So here, so I just want to add it into the background. So I just click on, right click here and click on the layer and just send it to back. You can see this is now on the back. So this is right now amazing. So I just drag here a little bit here. Now next thing is here you can see there is a hint as well as there is answer. But for that, before that, there is a scroll bar that scrolls when the video is being loaded. Okay, now it's very easy. Just click on here in the elements, search for a rectangle. So here is will be a rectangle. So I just make it full width here. Sorry, here, just drag it here, here, and here I just drag it little bit more, and here, sorry, here, and here I just again make it more and make it adjust it into the center. So this is now centered. So here if I go here and make some borders, so here is the border, as well as if you click here and make it border 4. So this is right now, and if you click here transparency, make it transparency 62. Now just duplicate that, and in the top of that the transparency should be 100. And if you see here the width of this, so I just make it, just zoom it on, and I just remove the border of this, and just remove the border, sorry, and just make it 0, and here just remove the border for that. You can see there is no border for that, and just adjust it inside of this. So I just zoom it again. So here I just wanna adjust it in center, and here I just adjust it. Okay, now I have adjusted it into the center. Now if you just click here, and you can see there is a show element timing. So this is the show element timing. So now we can also set the timing of this element, but I will do it later. Now next thing is the hint and then the answer. For example, this is the hint and this is the answer. So this is the hint. For the hint I will just go again and search for brush. Okay, and here is the brush icons will be here. For example, this is the for hint. So here I just here are the brushes, and if you click on show all, so from the graphics there are many brushes that we can select. For example, this one. So here is the brush that we can select. So I just increase the length of this because we're gonna use it. And here I just change the color of this brush to white, and we can change it to white, as well as if you want to change it to any other color, you can also change. For example, this color and any other color that you think this one will be better. For example, I selected this color. Okay, now next step is the adding the text over here. So go here into the text, and for now we are going to add some subheadings because the text length will be here. So I just copy this text as the sample text. So here I just paste this is just a sample text. Okay, so I just adjust it into onto that. For example, here, and here I just change the font family. For example, I just make it this font, Comic Sans, and you can also change any of the font. And just a bit, you can see there is a button that you can change the angle of the text. So I have just changed the angle as well as the color of this font because this is not visible. So I just select the white. You can see this is right now a bit visible. Okay, and again, if you just wanna adjust it into the center, that will be okay. And here, now this is okay. I think here is the good for now. And here, okay, now this is the text, and this is the the hint. Now I just make it again the group. Okay, I just select this and make it grouped. So now I just drag it a bit lower here, and again there is a text on top of that is hint. So I just go back elements. From the elements you can just select a brush or anything, but I just again select a brush here to add the hint text here. So for example, from that I just select a hint text here. So here is the brush. So I just make it more, change the angle and just make it here. So here I just write the text. For example, this I just copy that, and here I just say hint. Okay, also change the angle of this text because it should be in the center of this. Okay, and make it more here, and I just drag here. Okay, now this hand text is also here. So I just select these two and also make the group of these two because we are going to style it on the later. So that's why we need to have the style of this. Okay, now next step is we need to set the timing of this bar because this is a visible instant, but it should be visible when everything is comes up. Also we are going to add some animations and sounds. So first thing is this one. So for this I will just click on animate, and here is the animations that we can do. For example, this one, this one or this one. So I just select this one for that. Okay, so you can see this one is here. So if you go here and also ungroup, and you can see there on the text I can also set the animations. For example, here is the animation, for example, here and here. So here is also another animation, so I select this one for that. And also when it should comes up, there should be a sound. So I just go here in the elements. So here in the elements, search for camera click. From the audio, there are many clicks for the camera. For example, these are shutter clicks and so on. So I just add a shutter click here. So here just feel the sound. Here you can see. So this is not looking good. I just delete that and try another. You can see this one is good. For example, here you can see. So here you can see this one is good. And here after that it should start the sound, and also it should say something about the landmark or hint. So here I just go here and it should appear. And now we need to set the timing of now we need to animate this image. So here I just click on animation, and here if you go scroll down, you can see these are the animations. You can see this is the animation. So I just select this one, as well as if you decrease the intensity, so you can see this intensity is fine. Okay, so again replay, you can see there is a very low intensity. Okay, so this is right now good. These two things are fixed. Now the next thing is the hint and the landmark locations. Okay, so now it should appear later from that. So here I just click here and right click here, and here hide element timing, sorry, and just click here, and here show element timing. So this is the element timing, so I just make it light right here. So example, so after loading it, it should appear. Okay, here. So for example, just click here. So you can see this hint is appearing later, just 1 second later. Right now if you click here, also set the timing like that. So here you can see when it should be loaded, the timing, and you can see after loading, you can see this one. Okay, now if you click here, you can also animate it by your own animations. For example, you can see this is the in the animation that you can set for your hint. For example, I just select this one for the hint, as well as if you click here, you can just set the animations. For example, this one or this one. Okay, or this one or this one. So I just select this one and make it faster, because it should be loaded faster. As well as if you go here in the background, you can see this is the background. You can just animate with your own creativity. So this one is okay. And now if you go back, just play down, you can see. So this hint is appearing, as well as the image is appearing. Now this timer should be started after hint is displayed. For example, here. Okay, so here I just select the timing of this bar and make it here. Okay, so here you can see this one. So I just go back and play again. So here the answer should be displayed on the 6x9. So here this bar should be disappear. Okay, now again click here on the bar, and I just make it the timing of this bar, so it should be swipe here and just select this one and just down the speed. So now go back and just play again. Now you can see. Now again you can see this bar is appearing first, so I just select this one as well and just make it a bit here and a bit here. Okay, so now if you click here, now you can see this is amazing. Now if you go back again, you can see. Okay, so if you go back here and select this one for example, or this one, and select the background of this, and I just make it white because, or green for example, and if you go here again, so I just change the color that should be visible. Now this is good. Now this is appearing good. So now this is good, and here just go here, you can see this is here. So now we are going to add a timer, timer sound here. So I just click here, elements. In the elements I select search for timer, and go into the audios, for example, here in the audio, and you can see there is a bomb timer and so on. So I just select the bomb timer for example. So here I just so here the sound should be closed. Okay, so go back and play again. So here the answer will be displayed. Okay, so for the answer I just go here and select the sound. So here should be shutter sound. I just click here and the shutter sound I have selected. So go back, and instead of shutter sound, with the shutter sound, this should be changed, because this is right here, because we are going to display the answer here right now. And here you can see this will be displayed off and the answer will be displayed here. So I just click here and make it duplicate. You can see this is the duplication of this, and I just drag it on the right side and just display here. And instead of hint I just say here for the hint I just make it answer. Now this is the answer, and if you just click here and just duplicate that, because here we are going to display the answer of the question or answer of the landmark for example. Now this is duplicated, and for that we are going to do the same as we did for the answer. So I just change the timing here. So here is the timing. So here I just go back and play again. So this one should be a little bit more here. So the sound should be here, and just play again. No, this is the answer. Okay, so sorry, I just make it answer. So increase here. I just ungroup it to make the answer for visible. So I just click here on the answer and increase here. So this is right now okay. And here I just place the name of the landmark. For example, this is New York, for example. And here I just increase the size of this, as well as if you want to change the color combination, you can also change. For example, if you want to change the color of the background as well as. So this is okay right now. And if you go back again and again, if you just play that, you can see the hint and the answer will be displayed here. Now go back again. Now this is the answer. Okay, this is our everything is okay. We just need to click here on the file and click on download. Now I'm really revealing the trick that the sound and everything will be matched, and we are going to create a bulk video with that. So just click on download. Now you can see the video has been downloaded. You can see here, just click on uploads, and we're gonna upload this video that is recently downloaded. So just click here and re-upload the video. Here you can see I am uploading again this video. You can see this video can take a few minutes to upload, so you need to be patient. Now you can see our video is downloaded. Now you need to do, what you need to do is just click here, for example, and hide the element timing, because we don't need for now. And just click here on the sound and delete all the sounds that we used in the video. You can see, just delete that. So all the sounds that we used are deleted. Just click on the downloaded video that we have just recently downloaded. You can see this video is here. Just make it a bit size. So I just zoom it out here, and here I just click on this video that is being downloaded and click on this transparency and make it 0. So this video is here but not visible. Okay, so again, if you click here, now you can see you can see the sound is here and it will be repeatable. Now the template design is done. You can also directly access this template. You can just do the editing. You can directly get this template via description. I have provided the link of this template into the description of this video. You can just directly go and start editing. Now you just need to go into the ChatGPT and enter this prompt. I have provided this prompt into the description. You can just change the, for example, I have the quiz about the guess the landmark. So you can just place this by guess the logo of the company, guess the personality, guess the anything that you want to guess. You can just change here, and also instead of landmark you can change the wording here, so it will write up a beautiful table of the contents that you can use for your quizzes, and you can use it for bulk create quizzes. So you can see the ChatGPT has created a Excel file for me, so I have already downloaded. So I just go back into the quiz that we have just created and the template. So here just click on apps. In the apps you just need to search here for the bulk create. So here in the apps just need to search here bulk create. So in the bulk create you can just get the bulk create app that you can create amazing videos. So here is the bulk create, so just click here and this will bulkly create it all the everything for you easily. Okay, so just here I just click here upload data. So I just select the upload data. From the upload data I just select the file that I have downloaded. You can see this is the quiz that the ChatGPT has been created for me. So if you go back into the ChatGPT, I was list out for 10, so you can just make it 50 or 100. So I recommend you to make it 50 because in the one try the Canva accept only 50. Okay, so go back into our quiz and just click on the apps and search for bulk create in the Canva, and you can see this is the first one, bulk create option. So here is the enter manually or upload data. So I just upload the file that I have just currently downloaded. So I just selected the file and just click on continue, and you can see this one is the number. So here I just right click here, and here the connect data to the number. So these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here is the hint. So here is the hint. So go back for example, and this one is the hint. So I just select this one as the hint. Okay, just click here. Sorry, just click here and click on connect data. Just click on connect data, and here is the hint. So this one is the hint, and this one is the landmark image option 1, and there is the correct answer option. So go back, and here is the correct. So this one is the correct answer. So I just ungroup first of all it, and here is the ungroup option. So here again I just select that and connect data, and here I just select the correct answer. So I have selected the correct answer here. So when I will click on continue, it will bulk create everything for me. So just click on continue and everything is selected. Just click on generate 10 designs. So it will generate 10 designs for us automatically. Now you can see our 10 designs. You can see design 1 2 3. So everything automatically settled, numbers are placed, and the hint text is placed, the answer text is automatically placed on all the slides. You can see these all 10 slides are automatically created with the bulk creation. So here you can see these are all the options are selected. So now we will add the sound, or sorry, the voice of these hint and the text or voice of the answers. So for example, this one is the first and this one is the landmark image. So we will change the image as well as add the voices. For the adding voice, you can just visit this website ttsfree.com. This is the alternative of the 11 labs. You can also use the 11 labs, but I recommend you to use this one because this is almost unlimited. So we go back into the topic. So this one is the first hint text So I just copy that and go back and paste here, and here you can select the voices from the list of this. You can also change the voice pitch, for example, from this to this, and I just click on convert, so it will generate a voice over for us for free. And just
this landmark is located in Paris, France.
Okay, so just download this. The audio is downloaded. Go back, and here, for example, this is appearing here. So here, from that, this, for example, this, from this point, this is starting. So this text is starting. So I just go here and click on upload. So here I just upload this. For example, I just drag and drop here, and I just add this sound here. So this sound will be added here. So I just go back, sorry, and play again, and let's see. No, this is Eiffel Tower text is here. So I just copy that text, and here, sorry, in the free TRSS, I just paste here this text Eiffel Tower and just click on convert and download it. Yeah, you can see this is downloaded. Go back and placed here where this Eiffel Tower is here. For example, I just upload again here. So placed here, you can see this is placed here. So I just go back.
Landmark is located in Paris, France. Eiffel Tower.
Okay, the sound is added. Now the next step and the last step is the changing the image. For example, I'll just copy that, go back into that elements and just placed here. So the Eiffel Tower image will be visible for us. Now I just drag the image here, so this image is just replaced. Now again on the next screen, you can see this is the next screen, and in the next screen this is the text for the hint. I just copy the text from the next, or we can also copy from the sheet that is given. Okay, so I just copy that text and go back into the free TRS and just convert the voice. Now this voice is downloaded. Just download this voice and again upload this here. This is downloaded. You can see this is placed here. Go on the answer, and here is the answer. For example, here is the answer. So I just copy that answer, copy that and go back, and here I just placed here and just click on convert.
Colosseum.
Just download this. This is downloaded. Go back and upload again here. Just paste here. You can see this is edit here. So if you go back again, and let's start from the start, for example. And sorry, I was forgot to change the image of the second slide. Just go into the elements, and in the elements we just need to search for the image of the calcium, that is the answer of this. So I just drag and drop here. You can see this is just placed here, so this is changed. So now we started from the start, and let's see how our two slides are going.
This landmark is located in Paris, France. Eiffel Tower. This ancient amphitheater is located in Rome, Italy. Colosseum.
Now this is working very fine. So just like that, you just need to place all the audio on the all the slides, just like I did for 2 slides. You need to add all the audio for all the slides. And after doing that, you just need to click here on the file and click on download. So this will be download into your PC, so you can use it for your videos. So I just click here and just click on download. So this will be downloaded within few seconds. Now you can see the video has been downloaded. Let's see in the PC. Just open that. You can
This
see
landmark is located in Paris, France. Eiffel Tower. This ancient amphitheater is located in Rome, Italy. Colosseum.
long. You can see this is looking very amazing. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. With this trick, I promise you can just create thousands of videos and just regularly upload on your channel, and you can earn a lot of money. I promise you. But the consistency is the key of success. Just do with the consistency and do better and better than me and then others that are doing already on the YouTube. So I hope you understand, and I hope you love this video, and thank you so much.